Make your hair dyeing experience easy, clean and clean, with a soft, hard, bristled design that ensures even dyes, and hard bristles are especially suitable for root modification. The sturdy pointed handle design makes it easy to separate and cut the hair. 2 different shapes of brushes for professional salons, spas, hairdressing, DIY, home dyeing, role-playing, dip dyeing, microweaving, hot foil, hot dyeing and keratin hair dyeing, very suitable. Short and long curly hair or straight hair, brushes of different shapes are suitable for almost all hair types. Easy to clean, reusable, chemically resistant, heat-resistant, antistatic, contains 1 mixing bowl, 1 large brush, 1 hairbrush and a pair of earmuffs. Hairbrush and dishwashing set. Dyed mixing bowl and applicator brush set, ideal for mixing brightener bleach, developer, peroxide, dye, color, shade, mixing bowl. High-quality materials. Bowls, brushes, combs, earmuffs are made of high-quality plastic, durable and lightweight, comfortable to operate, can be used multiple times, to facilitate the use of your hair dye. Package includes 1 large brushes, 1 mixing bowls, 1 hair dye applicator brush comb. Perfect and necessary accessories for DIY hair dye. At home dyeing. Salon. Spa. Hairdressing. Micro braiding. Foiling. Highlights. Keratin hair treatment. Widely usage. Suitable for stir and smear hair coloring cream, designed for hair dyeing and coloring, nice for both salon and home use, even DIY hair by yourself at home. Practical design. This set is very practical and in a timeless design, which can simultaneously satisfy your fashion or practicality requirements. Reliable material. They are actually made to last with heavy and environmental plastic, which is washable and reusable and has no chemical reaction with color. Hair dye coloring set. Great for salon hairdressing use and home personal use. And the value is great. Top reviews from the United States. A little cheap. Items are a little cheap, but it gets the job done and I can use it again.